Hello students, myself Om Prakash Khatte and you are welcome to Biology Reward. Today we are discussing class 12th chapter Principles of Heredity and Variation, and our topic is Mendelian disorder, hemophilia and color blindness. So hemophilia and color blindness related some questions comes in the board examination. So we have to discuss today hemophilia and color blindness. Students, hemophilia, it is also commonly known as bleeder disease. Hemophilia is called the bleeder disease, and the disease hemophilia is a X-sex-linked recessive disorder. It is the X-sex-linked recessive disorder. So it is a recessive disease and it is caused by the X-link, sex-link, because the sex chromosome in male XY are the sex chromosome and in female XX are the sex chromosome. So the genes of the hemophilia link with the X chromosome. That is why it is called X-sex-linked recessive disorder. Second, as I told you, the genes of hemophilia link on X chromosome. It is in female 2 X chromosome are there, then it may be on one or other X chromosome. But in male there is only one X chromosome. So the genes will be linked with the only X chromosome. So hemophilia, it is the X-sex-linked recessive disorder. It's located or linked with the X chromosome, sex chromosome, X chromosome. And this hemophilia is the lack capacity of the coagulate or clotting. So what is this disorder? In this disorder, the blood do not clot or lack the capacity of coagulation. So if some injury take place, then generally the blood get clot. Coagulation occur, clotting occur, but in lack of this, lack the capacity of coagulation. So in case of hemophilia, the blood of the human patient do not clot. Then it happened due to lack of cascade protein. Why the blood is do not clot? Blood is do not clot because there is lacking of one protein which help us the clotting. A single protein involves the clotting of the blood affected. It means single protein, one protein is involved in the clotting of the blood of affected person. So in affected person, one protein is not synthesized, and due to this lack of the protein, the blood do not clot if the cutting of any body part take place. So generally, if any part of the body is cut, then after some time the blood is clot. But due to the lack of single protein, the blood do not clot, and this disorder is called hemophilia. In this case, the blood flow continuously, so it is called bleeder disease. Non-stop bleeding by single cut. So first one you will see, the disease is X-sex-linked recessive disorder. The genes are located on the X chromosome, and in such cases the lacking coagulation or blood do not clot, and it happened due to the absence of the one cascade protein. So this single protein involved in the clotting of blood get affected, and in such cases non-stop bleeding occurs by single cutting. If by chance the body parts get cut by any way, then blood do not stop. So non-stop bleeding occurs. This hemophilia transmission take place by unaffected carrier female. The female is a carrier, but it do not have the symptoms of hemophilia. So such type of female transmit the disease. Transmission of the hemophilia take place by unaffected and carrier female. It means when female heterozygous condition is this female transmit the hemophilia. Heterozygous condition, here XX2 chromosomes are there, sex chromosome. So gene is present, hemophilic genes are present, is present on only X chromosome. So this female is heterozygous. So heterozygous female is carrier of hemophilia. Second important, if you see the sex chromosomes, so normal female sex chromosomes are XX, X and X. Carrier female of hemophilia X, XX, but one X chromosome has a one H. H is for hemophilia genes. Hemophilic female is having the hemophilic genes on both X chromosome. XX, XX. So XX, XX is the hemophilic female. Normal man is having XY chromosome and hemophilic man is having the XY. So H gene is on the X chromosome. So male is having only one X chromosome and a hemophilic gene is present on X chromosome. So man will be hemophilic. So here you should remember this very important thing. Normal female XX, carrier hemophilic female XHS, hemophilic female, both X chromosome have the HH hemophilic gene. Normal man XY and hemophilic male, it is having the hemophilic male is having the hemophilic genes on X chromosome, because this is hemophilia is X-linked genetic disorder. Male always hemophilic. In such cases, if hemophilia genes are present in the male, so male will be always hemophilic because the male is having only one X chromosome. And it is X-linked disorder. So if the hemophilic genes is present in the male, so then male will be always hemophilic. But in female, there will be the two chances. Female rarely hemophilic. If the X-linked gene H allele is present on both X chromosome, in that case only the female will be hemophilic. Suppose on only X chromosome, in female X chromosome only H allele is present, genes is present here, so hemophilic gene is present on X chromosome. In such cases what happen? The female will be unaffected but carrier female. So female will be hemophilic only one condition, if the hemophilic genes present on the both X chromosome. So we should remember here very important thing, hemophilia is called bleeder disease. It is X-linked recessive disorder. This genes located on X chromosome. In such disease the blood do not clot. It is happened due to the lack of one protein which involved in the clotting of blood. It is non-stop bleeding takes place in the single cutting. Transmission of disease takes place by carrier, unaffected carrier female. Normal female XX, carrier female of hemophilia XHS, hemophilic female XHH, normal man XY and hemophilic male, it is having the X, H and Y. So this is hemophilia disease, and some question related are asked, later we will come. Now another disease is red-green color blindness. This is also X-linked recessive disorder. So X chromosomes link genes, gene link the X chromosome, so genes present color blindness, gene also present on X chromosome. Due to defect in the red and green cone of eyes, person unable to discriminate red and green color. What happened in this disorder? The red and green color of cones of the eyes get affected. And such cases, the affected person do not identify red and green color. If we will show the red and green color to them, they will unable to identify the red and green color. So this is called red green color blindness disorder, or simply we used to say color blindness. Defect is due to mutations in the certain genes on the X sex chromosome. So, if there change come in the some genes, then this defect is called. This type of color blindness occur about 8% of the male and 0.4% of the female. So, color blindness is more in the male and it is very less in the female. Transmission of this color blindness takes place by unaffected carrier like the hemophilia. Here also transmission takes place by unaffected carrier and heterozygous female. So in such cases, female XX chromosome is having, but one X chromosome there is the color blindness gene of color blindness. So XC I am mentioning. So on one X chromosome only the gene is present in the color line. So this condition is called heterozygous female. So this heterozygous female is a carrier but unaffected. So this transmits the disease from the one organism to other. Another normal female, XX we are mentioning, carrier female of color blindness. So it is X-C-linked gene with another X. Color blind female, both X chromosome having the color blindness gene. Normal male XY and color blind male, it is having the X chromosome has the linked gene of color blindness XC and Y. Male always colorblind. Why? Like the hemophilia, the male is having only one X chromosome. So these color blindness is the genes linked with the X chromosome. So there will be 100% chance of color blindness if the genes come in the male. So male always colorblind. But in female, rarely colorblind. And reason, if this condition comes, if the genes located on both X chromosome, then the female will be colorblind. So we have to discuss now few questions related to hemophilia and color blindness. So first some questions we have to solve regarding hemophilia and color blindness. One question is carrier female it means X it is female, and carrier female of hemophilia carrier female of hemophilia marriage with hemophilia carrier, marriage with normal man is normal. So male is a normal, and female is hemophilic carrier. Then what are the chances of hemophilic son and daughter? So here this type of Punnett square you can also make. This I am making for you. Try to understand. It's a female, XS, then carrier, and it is a male. So when we will cross this one, so this type of Punnett square like Mendelian's class, X, it will be X, H, Y and X, Y. Or you can do directly here, X change this class with this, X, and H, this then class with this, X, H, Y, this class with this, X, and this class with this, then X, Y. Now, if you will see son, total son, one son is hemophilic. So, one hemophilic, one is normal. If I am coming for daughter, DAUGH, daughter. Daughter, this daughter is carrier, one is carrier and one is normal. Okay. Our question is what? What are the chances of hemophilic son and daughter? So 50% son will be hemophilic. Answer is 50% son hemophilic. Because there are two sons only, out of two, one is affected with the hemophilia, the 50% son are hemophilic. And what about daughter? No one. Nil. Hemophilic. It means hemophilic daughter 0. Hemophilic daughter if we are saying, then daughter hemophilic they are the 0 because one is carrier and another is normal. So answer will be this like, out of this progeny 50% son will be hemophilic, 50% will be normal, and daughter there will be no hemophilic daughter, only one carrier and one normal. It means 50% of the daughter will be carrier and 50% of daughter will be the normal. So this is the answer of this question. Then another question, so we have the related to the color blindness, and in color blindness the question, a female has color blind father. This is the female. Female has color blind father. So of this female, father is color blind. Its father is a color blind. Father is having the XX and color blind. So this is the father. So father is color blind. A female has color blind father. She marries with the color blind man. This female marries with the color blind man. So color blind man is this one. What are the chances of their color blindness of their progeny? What are the chances of color blindness of their progeny? So question is asked, what are the chances of color blindness of their progeny? Try to understand. The female is normal, but the father of the female has color blind father. So father is color blind, so it means X chromosome of this one will come in the female. So female is also either normal, but it is carrier. Because the X chromosome is come from the father to daughter. So the father is already color blind. So X chromosomes of the father, X chromosomes come from the father. So it is the father, and this X chromosomes comes in the daughter. So this is female has color blind father. So the female is having the carrier. Now this marriage with color blind male. This is the color blind male, and if it is married with this, that will be what? XC, another XC and Y, next XX and C, and last XY. In this case, this is the female which is the color blind. So one color blind, it is the daughter, one color blind. Result I am writing here, result. First daughter, one color blind, another one is carrier. Son X, this is the one son. So it is, one is color blind and one is normal. Question is asked, what are the chances of color blindness of their progeny. So it is asked if 4 progeny are born, out of 4 progeny, how many will be colorblind? So this one and this one, 2 are the colorblind. So it means total 50% progeny will be colorblind. So it is depend on the question that what they are asking in the question. But we should remember only this. In case of normal female, what will come? In case of normal male, what will come? If carrier, then what will come? If color blind is there or hemophilic is there, what will be the link on the X chromosome? And if color blind male is having, so we should remember these things and linked genes of hemophilia and X chromosome. So it is all about the hemophilia and color blindness. So most cases in the competitive examination also this type of questions comes in the examination. Thank you.